Over the next 24 hours, we'll be watching the low very closely that's impacting areas of Ontario, Quebec, and eventually Atlantic Canada. We've got a nor'easter brewing, and I've added in the isobar lines for our forecaster map. I don't often add these in unless I'm explaining them in. Today is the day. These are lines of equal pressure. Now, why they're added in is as we head through the next 12 hours or so, we'll watch this low creep its way over to the coastline, and you can begin to see as the intensification of this low. The closer these lines are together, you know, the deeper the pressure gets as we head into the center of the low. Now, in terms of what's called bombogenesis, that's when we're seeing if this low rapidly intensifies. The closer that these lines are stacked, the deeper the central pressure will be. This low has the potential to do what's called bombing out. So let's take a look at that definition if we can. The scientific definition of bombogenesis would be a minimum of a 24 millibar pressure drop in the center of the storm in 24 hours or less. So what does that mean for the average person? Well, it means the storm gets strong really fast. It's rapid strengthening of a low. When you have this bombogenesis happening, when you have a bomb cyclone, that means that you're likely to get into intense rainfall, very strong wind gusts as well. The closer those pressure lines are stacked that I was showing, those isobars, the closer they are together, the stronger the winds will be. Then when you get a low creeping right up the east coast, it's got this incredible moisture source available to it, the Atlantic Ocean. So it's drawing up all of that moisture.
But is it slow and like low and slow, or does it come and go very quickly?
It really depends. This storm looks like it's going to be fast, move through quite rapidly tomorrow. The rain will start first in southern Nova Scotia and southern New Brunswick early in the morning and be up into Newfoundland by the evening. But it's dropping a lot of rainfall, like 50 millimeters in less than 12 hours. So we're likely to be in a case where we're seeing flooding through the region, possible power outages as well. This is all hitting tomorrow, so of course we'll have storm watch coverage here on your morning.
You said it, right? 2 words. Storm watch.
There you go. I love that you had that already.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.